going on? It's your boy here, Behance, back again with another great, amazing tech video. Well, today we're gonna unbox 3 items, and you're gonna get excited. So I purchased these items online, and I hope you will get excited. My son's like off the hook, but I just gotta make this video happen. So the first item goes to humidifier. As you can see, guys, this is a humidifier, and humidifier got things which are so great, and we're gonna just unbox it. So as you can see it, humidifier is called humidifier. It's something which is so great. We get a pipe which we can do a lot of things inside a humidifier, so we keep it aside. Secondly, we got USB. This is no USB 2.0, this is just a USB of humidifier. Then third but not least, we got the humidifier. So this is a humidifier. Let me just open it for you. So as you can see, voila, this is a wood type, but material it's plastic. And you can see, guys, there's a port of power here on the humidifier, and something which is so great, it has an LED indication which is like a RGB. It glows some light and stuff like that, but I don't think if it's like different type of light, but I think it's just one constant light. And something which is so great, when you open it inside, you get something like this. Now the water gonna stay inside with its flavor. After that, you just close it, then you just do this way. After that, you just power it on, then you're good to go. So you have the humidifier up and running, and yeah. Secondly, it goes to my earphones, the Dacom. This is a nice earphone, Bluetooth sports earphone. Now, what Dacom gives it to you, it gives you a 1P waterproof nano coating efficiency protect. It gives you a magnetic earbuds easy store without tingling, and it's a lightweight and a compact, no bondage and no sense of weight, streamlined design, secure and comfortable to wear, metal earphone cavity of super sense of presence and faithful sound. And the version of Bluetooth you get from these earphones, it's version 5.0, which is so great, and you get a DC volts of 5 volts, which is quite amazing, and you get 10 meters transmission of Bluetooth, which to my own kind of. Now this is the Dacom Bluetooth headphones, which is so great, and I just would like to just unbox it for you guys here. So let us just open it. As you can see, guys, how it looks like inside. You can see we got the paperwork in here. We got the I threw it away. We got the earphones. I keep it aside. We got something which is so great. We get USB here. I don't know, it's a USB 2.0 or what, but let's just see what they got for us, so as we can test it up. This is a USB 2.0. I can't complain about it because it's a Bluetooth earphones. You get what you get through it, and you get extra earbuds which you can just insert it, like the rubbers of earphones which you want to insert it on your ears. You get them extra. These are the Dacom earphones, the Bluetooth birds. So I kinda like them. They're so nice. I just feel this is very authentic. The material, it's so nice. It's rubber. It's not like a plastic. So it's something which is so great. Yeah, that's what's up. Kind of tech which I think it's so legit, man. This is the laptop stand, and I thought that to grab it because, you know, here whenever I'm just like doing some work, sometimes you bend over. It's not like a song. You bend over, and you know, the spinal cord and stuff like that. You have just to take care of your own self as a physical health and stuff like that. So I thought that to grab this because it won't make me be this way. It will make me be this. It's crazy, man. It won't make me this. We got the stand here. It's a color-free combination frame. It's a frame, so I got the space gray because, you know, guys, I love space gray. Just like my brother who likes space gray, I like space gray too. So yeah, we have it here. Nothing more on the packaging. As you can see, guys, there's nothing more. It's just that we got the stand, and we can just transform our machine right now so as it can be in reality. We just want to put things together. You know what I'm saying, man? So yeah. that's my kind of review of today, and I hope some of you guys got excited because it's a 3 massive unboxing which made my a little bit setup become so more improved. And soon I'm gonna drop a video of how my setup looks like here at home. So I did some touches here and there, and I kind of upgrade a lot of stuff, so I think it's time for you guys to see something. Thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, make sure that you hit the thumbs up, and if you're new here, my name is Rahim12, and yeah, that's what's up. So I'll be catching you guys on the next one, but make sure that you drop that subscription. I really appreciate that. So yeah, that's what's up, and peace.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Vicious presenting.